This example is from MGF 1107 when we are converting a Hindu Arabic numeral to a Roman numeral, such as we did in section 4.1. Now in this problem you do have to know the Roman numerals and their equivalent Hindu Arabic numerals, and in this case they're given to you in a table. Now the Hindu Arabic numeral that we're given is 1698. And we're asked to convert that to a Roman numeral. The easiest way to convert a Hindu Arabic numeral to a Roman numeral is start with the largest place value and work your way to the smaller place values. So in this problem we have 1000. Well, 1000 is denoted by an M, so that takes care of the 1. Then we have 600s after that. Well, in the Roman numerals you cannot write the C 6 times. You can only do that at most 3 times. So to get 600, you don't write C 6 times. Instead, you have to use addition. Since Roman numerals is an additive system, what we are going to do to get that 600, we are going to take 500 and add 100 to that. The order obviously is significant, because if you go with a smaller numeral followed by a larger numeral, then you have to subtract those two values. But to get 600, we actually want to take 500 and add 100 to that. So we have to write the larger one first, and then the smaller. So again, we have 1000 there, we have 600 there, and now we have 90. And to write the 90, again, we cannot write the 10, the x, 9 times, and nor can we write L, x, 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 x. You might think that that would be 90 because we have 50 plus 40 is 90, but again, you can't have 4 of the same symbol in a row. So whenever there's a 4 or a 9 involved, you're generally going to use subtraction in order to obtain that value. So to get 90, what we are going to do is we're going to use subtraction by taking 10 away from 100. So we have a symbol for 10 and a symbol for 100, and we want to subtract, take 10 away from 100, so we put the smaller symbol first, then the larger, and that tells us to subtract. So 10 taken away from 100 would be 90. And then lastly, we have the ones digit, which is 8. Again, we cannot have 8 ones, so we're going to have to get this through addition. So we're going to write down 5, and then we're going to add 3 ones to that. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So that numeral right there is in Roman numerals, and it's equivalent to 1698. I'll circle them. Again, that is the answer, but there's the 1000, there's 600, there's 90, and there's the 8. So that is our answer to this problem.